Hello and welcome to DISCUS Planner. With DISCUS Planner, you're able to apply an existing technical data package created in DISCUS Desktop in order to manage the characteristics at an operational level. And from there, you can generate a complete set of manufacturing planning documentation. Let's look at the interface characteristics identified from the drawing panel and listed in the Bill of Characteristics panel. Can be assigned to the operations outlined in the routing panel. Properties of the operations are listed below, and work instructions for the operations can be entered as well. So now, characteristics can not only belong to the final drawing, but can exist as an in-process characteristics. Alternately, they can exist only as in-process characteristic and not on the final operation. The primary output from DISCUS Planner is a structured and fully completed set of manufacturing planning documentation. This includes a summary routing, and for each operation, the work instructions, inspection sheets, and process illustrations. The entire process of manufacturing planning documentation can be exported to PDF or Excel formats.